Okay guys, here's the tutorial for the surface area rectangle of the prism. So number one, you guys know the math for this. The only thing we forget sometimes is that it's a 6-faced figure. So we're going to do this little tutorial and you can rewind it, review it anytime you want. So let's shut off the webcam so you don't have to look at this awesome apparatus and focus on the math. So the first thing is, let's do the dimensions of these shapes we see. So we'll move the side off and we'll move the dimensions with it. So we know this is a 5 by 4. Then we're going to do this large square. Large square is 10 by 5. And finally, we've got the top square. So you can see the 10 is directly above that line, and of course the 4 is that little angled line right there. So we'll drag the 4 by the 10. Now, here's the easy part that you guys do so well. Let's just add these up and do the dimensions right now. So right now we've got 5 times 4, and you guys know that that is 20. Next we've got 10 times 4, and that is 40. Finally, we've got 5 times 10, and you know that that is going to be 50. Now, here's where the math can get confusing sometimes. Everyone knows right now that you're adding the totals up. So we do 50 plus 40 plus 10. And that, of course, is going to equal 110. Now, here's the only thing we forget. So you guys have done all this math. So don't forget how many sides are on this figure. Well, there's a lot more than 3 here. We actually have 6. Remember, there's the back, there's the other side, and the bottom we can't see. But here's the great news. That is the same as that. So what do we have to do? Well, we've got 2 options. One, you can either take this number and add it together, or take this number, and remember, we're doubling because there's 2 sides in each shape. You could always just multiply by 2. And that will get you your question. Now here's the last thing you can't forget. What are your measurements? Centimeters. But what is this? It is area. So because we're doing area, you're going to need to add that little something called squared cm2. Alright? And that's all you have to remember to calculate that surface area. Good job. We'll see you tomorrow.